Welcome to Ridart 8X tutorial. I am David, Ridart 8X and Quality Manager. Today I am going to show you Ridart pressure vacuum vents. These vents are installed at the end of the vent pipe. The most popular model is 197 NP. This vent is equipped with a double poppet that regulates pressure and vacuum of a tank. Moreover, inside the vent there is a ribbon coil. The product is certified as end-of-line flame arrestor. The core of the product is this ribbon coil made of stainless steel, ready for hydrogen use and tested in compliance with the new 8X directive. Inside the pressure vacuum vent you can see the poppet that moves upwards or downwards to regulate the flow of air inside the tank and equalize the pressure with that of the atmosphere. Depending on the use, their vent can be made of different materials: aluminium, PTFE-coated aluminium, stainless steel, Teflon. Poppets can be made of brass or stainless steel. Gaskets are made of EPDM, Viton and Teflon. There are other versions available on request, without a poppet for a maximum flow and for special cases a weight-loaded poppet, without any spring. The various sizes range from 1 inch to 6 inches. This is all we wanted to tell you. Thank you for your attention, and please remember that, when designing or installing a gas station, human safety should be your first concern. Install certified products only. Subscribe to our channel. And contact us for any further information.